it is me. Hey guys, it is me, Desire, and today I'm going to be playing with slime with my cousin, Kaimani. So, what slime do you have, Kaimani?
Blue.
So he has the colour blue, and I have this purple colour, and they both have glitter. So open up yours. So he's going to open up his first. I'll help him, you guys.
Aqually.
So, watch out for your container. So, the other slimes are around there. And so, tell them about your slime. So, he has blue glitter slime, and it's a pretty nice blue and a pretty nice container, and it has a pink lid. Where did the lid go, container? And it has a pink lid, and it's so cool. So, you can keep on playing with that. Well, I'll show you. Them mine first. So I just have this plain container, and these are all store bought. This is just, I'm just trying to get it out. So mine is just purple. Doesn't really look purple on here, but touch. Want to touch?
This is so weird.
Yeah, it's a quite cool texture, but it's just that the glitter sticks on you.
I smell taste.
So yeah.
Really yummy.
So do you like your slime? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you like your slime?
Yes.
So yeah, he likes the slime. Comment down below if you like slime. Don't forget to comment down below, like, subscribe. Bye.